is up, guys? So we have a Toyota RAV4 right here, 2008. So the problem is this door latch in the back is not locking. So even when I press the key, the lock, still not locking. So I'm gonna take it apart, guys, to get access to the door lock actuator. I gotta remove this panel. Gonna need one of these tools or whatever, whichever you can find to pry it out. So just sort of put it in the back part. So after that, guys, there's one connector here in the back, so you gotta unclip that. So this one right here. So now the panel is all the way up. So this is the connector for the door lock actuator right here, guys. First what I'm going to do is take out the connector. Try it out if I'm getting any power to it. Okay, locking and unlocking. See that, guys? So as you guys can see, when I press the unlock button here, this is gonna light up. So that's telling me that it's getting signal from here to the actuator, so the door lock actuator is no good. It's the ground, but yeah, right here is the power. So there's the signal, guys. So definitely this actuator is no good, so in order to get that up, I'm going to have to pull this back, and then the piece is right here in the back side. Okay, guys, so what you want to do first is remove these 3 screws right here, which is Torx T30. You're gonna need T30. Okay, so now it's gonna come out of this side. So you wanna get this wire out of the way. So just pinch this thing right here, push it back. There you go, just like that. So now guys, you want to take that out and unhook this rod right here. You want to unhook this rod. So let it dangle like that. But I'm gonna need 2 hands on this, guys. So yeah, I'll show you guys how I unhooked it after. Alright guys, so I got the part out. Here's the old part and here's the new part. So you want to compare, and as you guys can see, they're exactly identical. So ice in, right, same connectors. So I was saying guys, this is where you have to unhook that rod that was here. There's a rod right here. So you unhook it from this one right here. So when you put this new one back in, it's gonna go back like this. Make sure you push the rod through this over here. So new, old. So get rid of that, and I'm gonna put the new one on. So as I was saying, make sure you grab this and then you take the rod and you sort of gotta, I know it's kind of hard to see, but just make sure that the rod goes in there like so. Okay, now you want to line up the screws. Okay, so that's in, guys. Okay, now you want to plug it in. Okay, now the moment of truth, guys. We're gonna see if this door's gonna lock. Everything in there, and then just close the door. And we're gonna press the lock button. So in theory, this should not open. And there you go. So unlock button. Ta-da! Problem is fixed, guys. That's how you replace a door lock actuator on the trunk for a 2008 Toyota RAV4 V6. So recap, guys. You have to take out the panel all around, which is these, and then the clips are gonna fall out, like, you know, like right there. So just keep in mind when you put them back together that you pop the clips back on. And then this big panel right here, same thing, So first, here, let's just do this. Put that on. Okay. Don't need that light anymore. Take that out. We stick this. Some sort of insulation. Now we take the door panel. The door panel, guys. Double check, and as you guys can see, it's missing some clips to the bottom. So there's stuff right here and over there. So I'm gonna try and clean that out. There you go. There's one. There's two. And this one, the tab is broken, so you don't really need that, just gonna leave that out there. But anyways, I got two of these, and one will go right here. I'm gonna put the other one right here. Okay, now so you wanna line them up. Line them up. Like that. So, yep, that's in there. Now, next one, guys, is this. So, one right there. Another right there. From the thing, but it's broken, so you guys can see. Yeah, line up the holes. So you guys see what I mean? Like from this to all those holes right there. So just line one up, like so. And then give it a little smack there. So that is it, guys. That's an easy, simple fix. But this part is not cheap, it's pretty pricey. It's about $375. So again, after everything's back together, shut the door, press the lock button, and doors lock, unlock, and there you go, open. So that is it, guys. Thanks again for tuning into my channel. Please continue to like, share, and subscribe. So guys, I forgot to mention, make sure you plug this connector back right here. There's a connector in the back. Remember, I unhooked it for this light, so make sure you plug that in before you put the cover back on. Okay, I just wanted to add that. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you're updated on my new videos. Thanks. What is up, Vnation? Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Vin Dadi. So as you guys saw, I just did the door lock actuator on the trunk for this 2008 Toyota RAV4. So as you guys can see, it was pretty easy to do. Let me just put my seatbelt on real quick. Hold on a second. Sorry about that. Okay. So where were we? So yeah guys, so the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you're getting power to that connector. So in order to do that, you needed a test light, and then hook it up to a door jamb ground, and then find the power by putting the other end of the test light and then pressing the unlock button, and then if you see it blink or light up, that means you're getting power on the actuator. So which only means one thing, that the door lock actuator itself is already broken or shorted inside. So anyways, and then after that, it's just 3 screws, the T30, and it's fairly easy to remove. And then to put it back, same as reverse removal procedure. Can't speak properly right now, guys. So anyways, I just want to show you guys what this Toyota RAV4 2008 looks like from the outside. There it is, guys. That's what this 2008 Toyota RAV4 looks like. It's a five passenger leather seats. It's also got heated seats. You guys can see it right there. It's got a CD changer, AC, power windows, power door locks. It's a pretty nice SUV. It's an all 4-wheel drive. Anyways guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that one. As you guys can see, it's a really nice day in Vancouver, BC today. It's nice and sunny, but it's about to rain again tomorrow. Anyways guys, thanks again for tuning into my channel. Please continue to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Bye for now. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Bye for now.
Yeah.